children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. So I have today a new topic for you all, that is diversity, prejudice and discrimination. Are you people ready to know about learning pod? Let's have a look. Diversity and prejudice, inequality and discrimination We are going to learn about this. Okay, let's proceed. Diversity and prejudice. In the previous chapter, we have read about diversity that exists in various spheres of our life and in the country. We can boast of diversity in our country, yet the diversity is not always celebrated or welcome. Strange and unfamiliar, there are times when we do not cherish or welcome strange and unfamiliar things or attitudes of people around us. We also tend to form opinions about others who are not quite like us. These opinions may at times be negative, है ना. हमारी सोच दूसरों के बारे में, हमारे जब ओपिनियंस नहीं मिलते हैं तो हमारी सोच दूसरों के बारे में नेगेटिव भी तो हो सकती है. Such negative or biased opinions become prejudice. Did you know prejudice means to judge other people negatively and to see them as inferior because they are not like us? Prejudice may be defined as bias or an opinion formed in the mind beforehand, an unreasonable prepossession. It is unfair and partial. A famous psychologist, H.G. Alport, defines prejudice as an antipathy and or negative feeling based on familiar and inflexible generalization. Prejudices are formed when we think that only one particular way is the best and right way to do things. We can be prejudiced about many things. For example, religious beliefs, color of the skin, language, caste, race, religion, etc. Prejudice also creates stereotypes. By stereotype, we mean fixed image about people. For example, we fit all boys and all girls in a certain image. When we say that boys are naughty and rowdy or girls are well behaved, soft spoken and docile or gentle, so the truth is that all the boys and all the girls do not fit in this label. सो आप सबके लिए तो ये नहीं कह सकते ना. आप ये बोलते हो कि लड़के तो बड़े नोटी होते हैं, बहुत ऐसे होते हैं, लड़कियां बहुत डिसिप्लिन्ड होती हैं, बहुत अच्छी होती हैं, तो ये सब गर्ल्स और सब बॉयज़ के लिए फिट तो नहीं होता है. स्टीरियोटाइप्स प्रिवेंट अस फ्रॉम लुकिंग एट ईच पर्सन एज हैविंग यूनिक क्वालिटीज. इंस्टेड दे प्लेस अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पीपल अंडर वन कैटेगरी. Discrimination, this means that act of treating people in different ways on some supposed consideration. It is an unfavorable action, behavior, outcome and treatment. Discrimination happens when people act on their prejudices or stereotypes. There are various forms of discrimination, for example, to put other people down, to stop them from participating in certain activities and taking up jobs, to stop them from living in certain neighborhoods, not allowing people to take water from the same well, or not allowing certain people to enter temple, etc. ये होता है discrimination. कि बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग होते हैं जिन्हें मंदिरों में आने से रोका. याद है आपको पहले क्या होता था? उन्हें मंदिरों में आने से रोक दिया जाता था, पानी नहीं लेने दिया जाता था उन कुओं से. सो बिल्कुल उन्हें सेपरेट कर दिया जाता है, जो लो क्लास लोग होते हैं. लेट्स डू इट बच्चों. डू यू थिंक वी हैव बीन एबल टू एरेडिकेट डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बेस्ड ऑन कास्ट completely? Do not you still see household where domestic helps are given food in different utensils? देखते हो, शायद आपके घर में भी ऐसा होता हो कि आपकी मॉम अलग बर्तन में खाना देती है, जो मेड हैं आपके घर पे, जो हाउस हेल्प हैं आपके घर पे, है ना. Are not their household still where the cleaner needs to remove and keep their shoes outside the house even in the coldest of weather? Debate the statement caste discrimination has been abolished on paper only. तो इस पे आप क्या करेंगे? डिबेट करेंगे. Okay, we have now, did you know the British policy of racial discrimination known Africa as apartheid practiced against the Indians debarred the entry of Indians into the social clubs, etc. Causes of prejudice and discrimination. Prejudice and discrimination are not universal or something that humans have inherited or are born with. They are the result of social bias. Factors responsible for such bias are enumerated as under. The bias thinking that women are biologically and physically weaker than men and therefore and incapable of performing duties like men causes discrimination against women. अगर कहा जाता है कि आदमी काम कर सकते हैं वो औरत नहीं कर सकती तो ये भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है. इवन पेरेंट्स डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन अ गर्ल एंड बॉय. जो फीमेल और मेल के बीच में पेरेंट्स भी तो ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, लड़कियों और लड़कों के बीच में जो डिफरेंस होता है. दे प्रेफर टू हैव मेल चिल्ड्रन बिकॉज ऑफ द एज ओल्ड सोशल कस्टम्स एंड इवल्स लाइक डाउरी. क्योंकि वो प्रेफर करते हैं कि हमारे घर में बेटा ही पैदा हो, क्योंकि इसमें बाद में उनको दहेज भी मिलेगा. और लोगों का कहना भी ये होता है, जो ओल्ड कस्टम लोग होते हैं और सोशल जो इस बात को मानते हैं कि लड़का ही होना चाहिए. The false notion of superiority of race has been a major cause of prejudice and discrimination. The policy of apartheid or social discrimination as adopted by the by the whites British rulers earlier against the black natives of South Africa is glaring example. आपने देखा था साउथ अफ्रीका में पहले काले लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा हरास किया जाता था, हरासमेंट दी जाती थी, बहुत ज़्यादा टॉर्चर किया जाता था. So now the extermination of the Jews by the Nazi Party of Germany during the Second World War was also based on Germans' false feeling of the racial superiority of the Aryans. The age-old system of division of society on the basis of varnas, which led to the caste system in Indian society, has caused discrimination against the so-called lower caste in India. Religion has also played a leading role in creating prejudices and discrimination among various communities. Not only religion but differences of sex also have created rift among the same religious communities, and we often hear of conflicts between the Protestants and Catholics, between the Sahyas and Sunnis, between the Digambaras and Shvetambras, etc. And now practices like slavery, different immigrations laws, temple entry, social exclusion from schools, disenfranchisement and etc. also cause discrimination among people in various countries or societies. Harmful effects of prejudice or discrimination. There are also some harmful effects of prejudice and discrimination which are given below. Prejudice and discrimination lead to ethnic hostilities, and which constitute a major danger to peace both within and among nations. Prejudice and discrimination lead to disunity, which results in disorganization of the society and even disturbs the collective life of humanity. This lead to racial arrogance and create a gulf between nations, and the policy of apartheid or racial segregation. This created bitterness between the whites and black in South Africa. Prejudice and discrimination create strained relations between the dominant and the subjected groups and retard the full progress of both the groups. Discrimination in particular affects the healthy development and growth of people in society. Thinking short, what is the main cause of discrimination in our society and how did it all start? Steps for curbing prejudice and discrimination. Number one is that you have that first one is, it is true that prejudice and discrimination cannot be completely wiped from our society, but they can surely be curbed or controlled. देखो, आप इसको बिल्कुल हटाना तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन कुछ हम लोग इसमें से कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. दिस मे बी अचीव्ड थ्रू वेरियस मेजर्स लाइक गिवन बिलो. एजुकेशन डेवलप्स ब्रॉड माइंडनेस अमंग पीपल हु कैन कर्ब प्रेजुडिस एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. Legislations, have already contributed a lot in reducing prejudice and discrimination from society. According to some scholars, interracial, interregional and intercaste marriages encourage the curbing of prejudice and discrimination. The Baha'i approach is appreciable in curbing prejudice and discrimination. According to Abdul Baha, humanity is one kind, one race and progeny, and there is no racial distinction and separation in the creative plan of God. Separation is not natural and original, and prejudice and discrimination are not part of the natural order. Members of unequal groups should strive towards unity. Mistrust, false sense of superiority and discord should not mar their relations. Setting up of councils and centers which promote friendship, distribution of literature specially designed to dispel prejudices, and organizing events and setting up institutions that promote harmony among people should be encouraged. The United Nations is already actively fostering the feelings of love and international brotherhood among the nations of the world. Such efforts should be appreciated and followed. Now let's talk about inequality and discrimination. Inequality in the opposite of equality, which is the bedrock of democracy. It should be made clear the inequality and diversity are not the same. While diversity is a natural phenomena, inequality is a man-made. Inequality means discriminatory treatment. Inequality is observed in various spheres including natural, civil, social, political and economic. Let us examine such inequalities in detail. It is said that all men are born equal, but the fact is otherwise. They differ in appearance, colors and strength. अब जो आदमी पैदा होता है वो तो ऐसा तो नहीं होता ना कि वो बचपन से शूद्र पैदा हो रहा है, क्षत्रिय पैदा हो रहा है, सब इक्वल पैदा होते हैं, लेकिन बाद में फैक्ट ये है कि उनके अपीयरेंस, उनके कलर, उनकी स्ट्रेंथ चेंजेस होते हैं इसमें. इट इज़ सेड दैट एवरीवन शुड हैव इक्वल राइट्स. देयर शुड नॉट बी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन विद रिगार्ड टू सिविल राइट्स एंड फंडामेंटल राइट्स. लॉ शुड नॉट make any discrimination on the basis of birth, wealth, sex, religion or education. Yet there are some laws which give special concession to the weaker sections of society, and they cannot be challenged on the basis of that they go against civil liberty. Social inequality existed in our country for a long time, and the so-called lower caste, earlier called untouchables, so now we call it Dalits. Okay, पहले इनको बोला जाता था अछूत, लेकिन अब दलित बोला जाता है. So were considered inferior and discriminated against by the upper caste. Such inequality has been now removed by legally banning untouchability. There exists economic inequality in the country, and wealth is concentrated in a few hands, while a large number of people are devoid of a decent and comfortable life. Equal remuneration for equal work is not adhered into in the case of women and child labor. Gender disparity still exists in the society, and women all over the world are discriminated against. In India, infant mortality is higher among girls than among boys due to female infanticides. Now बच्चों, based on this chapter we have some exercises for you people. So let's start. Tick the correct answer as usual. आपको correct option choose करनी है to get the correct answer. Fill in the blanks. इसमें important word को choose कीजिए आपके chapter से. True false आपको statement को check करना है whether this is right or wrong according to a chapter. Answer the following questions briefly and answer the following questions in detail. तो briefly वाले questions को आप 3-4 lines में और detail में आप लिखेंगे explanation के साथ. Skills enrichment zone, fun activity. Divide the class into groups of 3 to 4 and let each group discuss one of the following topics. इन topics को पढ़िए और discuss करिए. Activity, read stories of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, his childhood story आपको पढ़नी है. Divide the class into 5 groups. Each group will make a poster on abolishing untouchability. Right? Out of the box जाकर आपको क्या सोचना है बच्चों? Do you think inequality on the basis of economic disparity is जस्टिफाइड, इफ नॉट वाई? तो सोचिए इस बारे में, करिए इसे एंड हैव फन, एंजॉय।